Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the March 2021 Flavors of the Month kit. Flavors of the Month comes out every month and includes 4 brand new collections with cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. Along with your kit, you'll receive a sample of gourmet coffee so you can brew that up while you're creating. You'll also have access to 4 recipe cards designed by the design team. So they create a double-page layout, one for each one of the 4 collections. They give you cutting and assembly instructions and a full-color photograph so you can see what the layout's going to look like. So you can create right along with our design team. So this month is all about spring, sunshine, and happiness. So we're going to start with Doodlebug, Made with Love collection. From Echo Park, we have Welcome Spring. Photoplay paper has come out with Tula and Norbert's Lucky Charm, so I can never get enough of Tula and Norbert. And Pretty Little Studios collection called Miss Sadie Rose, and it's a beautiful collection. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at each one of them and everything you're receiving this month. First up from Doodlebug paper is Made with Love. So this has beautiful spring type colors, but it is a food theme all around love. So you could do Valentine's or any kind of cooking recipe book or just baking with your kids. So we're going to start with 2 sheets of Petunia cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one called Cupcake Cuties. So it has the cute little faces that Doodlebug is known for on all the different colors of cupcakes, and the background's a pink polka dot. The back is a turquoise plaid. Then we have this plaid. I love the stitching running throughout this. This is a really pretty paper. This one is called Dab of Butter. And the back is a white polka dot with that butter yellow. It's a gorgeous color. If you're ever looking for yellow, check out Doodlebug. Then we have this paper called Apron Strings, which is a bold stripe in all of the colors. And the back is a really sweet little floral print with little hearts scattered between them. So one more look at the patterned paper. Then for your embellishments, you're going to get one of the little doodle pops. So these will vary, but I got the little pink cupcake. Love those. So if you haven't seen those before, they're dimensional, and then like the icing up here has like glossy accents. It's shiny epoxy type, and the eyes are the same way. They're little textured epoxy dots. You're going to get some jewels, and these will vary as well. These are all from Doodlebug. You're going to get some chit chat pieces. So that's all of these. It's just the little die cuts. Of course, they will vary, but this is what I got. So you're going to get some banners with some words and some icons, and then some smaller pieces. So that's a look at Made with Love from Doodlebug. Perfect for all your baking documenting. Our next collection is Welcome Spring from Echo Park, and I am definitely ready for spring. So we're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock, this pattern paper that has all the different icons. The back is a red with white polka dot. This is called Sunny Spring Days. Then we have some bumblebees on that light aqua paper. The back is a yellow gingham plaid. This one's called Bumblebee Breeze. Love that yellow. Then we have the 4x6 cut apart. So these are great for little title pieces. Just some really cute sayings. The back is a fun butterfly print with the little blue polka dots running throughout. So one more look at your patterned paper. I love those papers together. That is really pretty. For your embellishments, you're going to get a third a pack of the ephemera pieces. So these are the die cuts. They will vary, but this is what I received in mine. So I have a lot of larger pieces that could be used for titles, and then some smaller little bits. And then some enamel dots. So the colors will vary. I got the pink. So that is a look at Welcome Spring from Echo Park. Our next collection from Photoplay Paper is Tula and Norbert's Lucky Charm. So I love me some gnomes, and I always can't wait to see what Tula and Norbert are coming out with next. If you're not a gnome person, it's okay. There is plenty here to still love, so check it out. We have 2 sheets of white cardstock. This paper called Lucky Charm, which has the leprechaun hat, the pieces of gold, the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow, and their little shoes, along with all of the clover leaves. The back is a green stripe. Then we have this orange polka dot. This paper's called Kiss Me. And the back has Tula and Norbert all dressed up for St. Patty's Day. And we have the little coins and the clover leaves. Super cute. Love this one with his little bagpipes. This paper called Tartan, which is a green plaid. The back is a 2-toned green polka dot. Hopefully that will show up. So one more look at your pattern paper. And then your embellishments is the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a border of the clovers that are 3-leafed and 4-leaf. Lots of little word labels. And then lots of like tag shapes, banners that have sayings. Irish lass full of sass. I'm not Irish, kiss me anyway. A good friend is like a 4-leaf clover, hard to find and lucky to have. So I love the cute little sayings. Then we do have those adorable little gnomes. Again, the one with the bagpipes. Love this one too, sliding down the rainbow. So you're going to have lots of fun, I know, with Tula and Norbert's Lucky Charm. Our next collection is Miss Sadie Rose from Pretty Little Studio. So we've had cute and whimsy and fun, and now we're just going to have a little bit of beautiful. So we have this paper here called Rose Garden, and it's the beautiful roses on the white background. We have a pink plaid, a full branding strip of pink and white polka dot. You're Cute is a diagonal stripe in the pink and the green, the blue. And the back is a pink and white polka dot, and then we have a gingham pink branding strip. This paper called My Dear, which is a large plaid design in the blue, and the back is a blue and white polka dot, and then we have a blue gingham border. So one more look at your pattern papers. And then you're going to have 2 sheets of rain cardstock. Sorry about that. For your embellishments, you're going to get some of the cut-aparts. So these are labels. This is the side that I got, and I think they're the same color on this side. I'm not sure. And then you're going to get some of the flags, and the little banner shapes. And then you're going to get some word die cuts. So these will all vary, but this is what I got in mine. And then some word labels, and these are stickers. So you'll get a few of those. I love this where you just get a sampling of all of the different embellishments and a sampling of the papers just so that you can play with all of the new products. So that is Pretty Little Studios, Miss Sadie Rose. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. If you want it to go even further, be sure to check out these other links for the add-ons. We have patterned paper, cardstock, and embellishment add-ons. And you can check out the Shots of Life because it coordinates with your Flavors of the Month as well. Also, come on over to the Facebook group and the blog and play along with us in the challenges. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.